friends, it's Kim Arant, your Pampered Chef Consultant, and I'm here to tell you about one of my favorite electronic products that Pampered Chef has introduced. So this is an item I never knew I needed until it showed up. So it is our cooking blender, our Deluxe cooking blender. And I'm in the process of making some homemade honey peanut butter. Now, if you're ready to take your health journey up a notch or two, this is the thing for you. So blenders are all the rage right now. Smoothies, smoothie bowls are all the rage right now. So this has honestly a smoothie setting along with 9 other settings and even a custom setting if you just needed something ground for just a few seconds. So let's talk about those. So we've got the smoothie setting. We've got the alternative milk setting. Yes, you can make your own almond milk, rice milk, oat milk, and so forth. The grind setting, you can make your own homemade peanut butter or any other type of nut butter that you like. So if you've got allergies or you want to try something funky that is not on the grocery store shelves like pecan butter, definitely I've done that. It's delicious. It has its own soup, like homemade soup, like you put raw vegetables in there, homemade soup, your own homemade sauces, and your own heated purees, if you like different types of purees, as well as our jam setting. So you can make your own homemade jams so you don't have to put as much sugar, or you can do sugar-free type options that you can't find on the grocery store shelves. So the final thing that is like, oh my gosh, the bomb is the fact that it cleans itself. Oh my heavens. Like, don't you wish everything in your kitchen would clean itself? So it's got a heated wash cycle that makes cleanup super easy. So let's take a peek and see how this is working. So I'm finishing up the peanut butter right now, and it comes with its very own tamper. So if you need to push it down into the grinder, that you can do that. And it comes with its very own milk bag so that you can drain different types of alternative milks that you're making. Is you can have it your way. I love it chunky. So, I want you guys to see this. Yummo. Honey peanut butter your way. Okay, it's Kim Arant, your Pampered Chef Consultant. Take care.